The story begins with Anna, a girl who loves toys, and Teddy, a talking teddy bear who will help Anna discover how toys are made. One day, Anna was playing with her favorite teddy bear. "Teddy, who makes toys like you?" she asked. Anna curiously asked, "I don't know, tell me." Teddy explained, "Toy designers are people who create fun and safe toys for kids like you. They think of new ideas, draw them, and make them real." Anna asked, "If I want to make toys, what do I need to learn?" Teddy replied, "You need to learn how to draw, how to use colors, and even how machines make toys. Some toy designers also learn how to make toys safe for kids." Anna excitedly asked, "That sounds so fun. But what skills do I need?" Teddy smiled, "Toy designers need creativity, problem-solving skills, and teamwork. They also need to love making kids happy." Anna asked in amazement, "So, what can I do when I grow up with this job?" Teddy answered, "You can design soft toys like me, create dolls, or even invent new board games and action figures." Anna imagined herself designing a new magical doll. Anna excitedly said, "I want to be a toy designer to create amazing toys." Teddy cheered, "Great idea, Anna. The world needs more creative toy designers like you." To become a toy designer, kids can start drawing fun toy ideas in a sketchbook. Use Play-Doh or paper to build simple toy models. Learn about different toy materials like fabric and plastic. Always think, would this toy make kids happy and safe?